Over the last few months, the University of Manchester has been embracing online learning and trying to adapt to that as much as possible by helping students and lecturers work together in finding solutions for everyone. This means that lecturers have been moving online, and this is normally delivered through Blackboard Collaborate. Blackboard is a platform for your lecturers to upload materials and resources for your courses, and that is really important for you to be able to access everything in one hub. So with the use of Blackboard, lecturers have been able to deliver their lectures online and live at the same time, and having this is really important in a multitude of ways. This means being able to deliver their sessions across the world, not having the issue of distance at all, but also being able to adapt to different time zones. There are many students that will be across the world and operating at different time zones. Having the sessions recorded allows for flexibility, and that is really important and crucial when you've got an international cohort. More importantly, the relationship of a lecturer and a student has not been tarnished. What I mean by this is that a student is able to raise their hand on Blackboard Collaborate and ask questions directly to the lecturer live on the screen. This is important. Rather than leaving all the questions towards the end of the lecture, a student is able to ask them as they are going along, and this can help nurture a better learning style and environment. Help is never too far away, and it's only an arm's reach when you're going digital. That is what the University of Manchester has been doing with the Career Service and also your academic advisors. The Career Service is always there to help you and support you in finding placements, internships and much more. For those graduates graduating in the class of 2020, we can understand that their troubles of finding a job become very, very important, and that's why the Career Service is there to help digitally through Skype, giving interview support, giving one-to-one consultations. Those are still available at the palm of your hand. You don't have to go into the university to get that support. You can just do it through Skype or email. It's entirely up to you. Alternatively, academic advisors have also been supporting us through this way. Academic advisors are more than willing to help by giving you advice during these unprecedented times through Skype as well, or also Zoom. And these are just one of the ways that people have been trying to help and embrace online learning and also the distant learning that we're having at the university. In the case of peer mentoring, mentors have been going far and wide to try and support their mentees as much as possible. So that's why myself as a mentor, I've been trying to engage with my students through WhatsApp, emails, but also live sessions as well. And those are really important to try and gain the best out of the best experience for mentees, and also ensuring that they adapt to the first year of university really well. On your arrival at the University of Manchester, you will also have a mentee and mentor relationship ready for you and to support you through the university journey. If you ever have any questions to ask, feel free to go and ask your mentor for any support and guidance. If they don't know the answer, they're more than welcome to point you in the right direction.